Merry Christmas to all those who are celebrating. Shefali and I have a lunch reservation at Lupa, a special Christmas lunch. But before that, we need to go grab some warm beverage. So we're gonna go try Isobel Coffee House on Lavelle Road. It's a place we've never been to, so let's go see what they're like. It's a bright sunny day here in Bangalore and the vibes are immaculate. Let's see what Isobel is gonna be like. By the way, Isobel Coffee House is a very aesthetic cafe and this place was recommended to me by a friend, Hari. He said you must take your girlfriend to Isobel. So here's my girlfriend. Say hi, my girlfriend.
Hi.
Say hi.
I can't see only. There's so much sun.
The king has put her sunglasses on. We have reached Isobel Coffee House. Let's go step inside. This place is not giving very cafe vibes, right?
Yeah, you can't even come here on a first date because what? The girl's gonna sit there and you're gonna sit here.
Here's our order, Bobbies. My oat milk latte. They've branded it with Isobel on top. And cinnamon swirl with Isobel branding on the side. A little too much Isobel, no? I wanted to eat a cinnamon bun today because it's Christmas.
Have you ever eaten it before?
Nope.
I have.
Is it any good?
Yeah, it's nice.
So a cinnamon bun is the right way to start Christmas.
I want to dip that cinnamon in your oat milk latte and eat.
That is what we're going to do. We're going to dip this in the latte, but first we'll try it as it is. Actually pretty good. Good, no? That's a good cinnamon swirl. Let's try my latte. Really good latte.
I love these.
Cinnamon swirl is good. My latte is brilliant. Bro, this place is hectic expensive, huh? My latte with oat milk was 450 rupees and the cinnamon swirl was 430. I might just go as far as saying that was worth 400 rupees. If I was an unhealthy person, I would do this for breakfast every day.
And a rich person.
Not just unhealthy, you'd have to be a rich, unhealthy person to be able to do this every day. We have to go for our lunch reservation in like 5 minutes. And here we are belting food. Before we leave for Lupa, Shefali is changing her shoes. I am so frequent at Lupa now that I don't even put in the effort to dress up for Lupa.
So cute.
Yeah, it's cute. Earlier I used to wear shoes, now I'm just going in Birks. So Isobel Coffee House gives you this card where they say every 10th coffee is on them. So every time you come here, they'll punch it in and the 10th one is on them. I would definitely come back for that latte and cinnamon bun. I liked it. Walking on MG Road towards Lupa. Do you have anything in mind? What do you want to eat for Christmas lunch?
I feel like everything Christmassy is a little too sweet.
Really?
Yeah.
What are you saying?
Yeah, like cranberry sauce and stuff like that.
Cranberry sauce and stuff like that. This girl thinks that she's in the UK, talking with an accent.
This Christmas tree is so sad.
What is wrong with that Christmas tree?
It's just sad. Give it some life.
Bobby's Lupa looks so pretty today. Look at their Christmas tree. Yeah, this looks alive.
I told you.
Nice. Place looks amazing today. And it's packed. We've never seen it so packed. Here's our table at Lupa. I've opted for this outdoor seating because the lighting is better. And also because under live performance ho raha hai and it's very, very loud inside. This is not very Christmassy, by the way. But
Indian.
it's protein. We need our protein. Let me taste the harissa chicken, Bobbies. Is it a one-bite chicken?
No.
It is. So juicy. Here's our second dish, Bobbies. Duck tacos. Bobbies, do you think I can squeeze this in one bite?
Of course you can. You're a fat ass.
This is what duck is supposed to taste like. Brilliant.
It's too nice.
It's too good. This duck taco is brilliant. I cannot put it into words how good it tastes. Also, one thing that I would like to point here is the fact that service is impeccable. The restaurant is jam-packed. There are over 200 people here and yet there's a waiter for every table. That is top-tier service. Lupa never disappoints when it comes to service and hospitality. Here's our main course. Now, I cannot pronounce this, but there's Somnath here who's going to help us with it.
So this pasta is called as tagliolini in burro e parmigiano al tatufunero.
All right.
So it's basically a creamy tagliolini pasta with fresh black truffle on the top.
Thank you so much. Bobbies, this is a vegetarian dish. And this is the first time that Shefali and I are going to be trying truffle. Dig into it, chef.
Don't take too much truffle at a time.
Ah, okay. That tastes like butter cheese Maggie. Butter cheese Maggie that costs 1,800 rupees.
You have 1,800 bucks.
That's 1,800.
Share.
So ये जो brown truffle है, it's basically a mushroom. Truffles are a type of fungi that grow completely underground. And some of these truffles, like black truffles, are very rare and expensive. Finally, a Christmas appropriate dish. This is a turkey pot pie. You're supposed to break this pastry and there's turkey underneath there. Goomati game chale, note jitna chale. Here's the bite, Bobbies. The most heavenly bite I'm going to get. That was yummy. Bobbies, here's the bill at Lupa for a Christmas lunch. Total 6,350 rupees. If you had to pay 6,300 for a Christmas lunch, would you do it?
No.
So you think I'm stupid?
I mean, technically, I paid for the lunch since the money came out of the wallet I gifted him.
She thinks that every time I spend money from this new wallet, she is contributing. Girl math. Shefali is dying in these shoes. He's going to change to a Birks now.
Yeah, books are my everything.
Birks are too good, bro. That's why, bro, even if I go to fancy places now, I just wear my Birks. Bobbies, we just met a subscriber.
Hi, hello.
He's asked me where was I for so long. I just told him that I took a break.
Yeah.
But we're back now.
Hope I will be in this vlog.
Obviously, I will keep this part. Look at Church Street, Bobbies. A lot of people wearing red. Also wearing Santa caps. Should we get that?
I think nobody really cares about you showing them Church Street.
Really?
Yeah, because every time you're like, Bobbies, look at Church Street. Bobbies, look at Itanagar.
It's called being a good host.
It's so
Okay.
cute. You're
A lot
precious.
of people comment on my videos saying I talk a lot. What am I supposed to do as the host? Just look into the camera and not say anything.
Try not talking, then they'll be like, आज बात ही नहीं किया.
If I'm making a vlog, obviously I'm going to talk.
Guys, he's leaving me and going.
What to do, Bobbies? I need to go play cricket now.
Yesterday also he played cricket.
Every day I play cricket, okay? I'm sending her home now. She wants to spend another 2 hours with me, but there's not much that we can do at this point. I mean, there's plenty that we can do, but nothing which can compete with my cricket experience with the boys.
Crying.
It's okay, you can cry. It's Christmas. It's called Christmas tears. Chalo, say bye to the vlog.
Bye.
So, Bobbies, I came home and Nishok was in my studio and he's like,
What up, guys?
he's like, come fast. I come and guess who else was here? This guy, Kavin. Our pilot Bobby just came back from Thailand. He was in Thailand for pilot training, not for what you're thinking. He went there with a purpose. Not the purpose that you're thinking. The purpose was to learn how to fly a plane. He's an Indigo pilot, guys.
Not yet, bro. Not yet. Don't.
It's soon. Right, so they came and they fucking surprised me. And now I'm gonna play a video of me getting surprised. Bro, I seriously was wearing the same.
Yeah, I'll charge my phone.
Scared, surprised, whatever you wanna call it.
No, my cock is in my own hands.
Bro, you walk in and you see a dark figure like that. Bobbies, we're in my car, which hasn't been used for the last 2 months. The last time I started it was with Nishok itself, when we'd gone to Brisket and Chops. Today we're going back to Brisket and Chops and let's hope that it starts. Jai Mata Di. Woo! Bobbies, here we are at Brisket and Chops. Kavin's first time. Here's our jerk chicken. This is the first time Kavin's going to be trying it. My poor guy lost 6 kgs when he was in Thailand.
Poor guy, yeah, like I wasn't eating food. Fucking, it's called a cut, bro. No one ever heard of it.
It's called Powdy, bro.
Body, my food is free, bro.
Let me try the jerk chicken. Why isn't it hot though, bro?
It was coming, honestly, it's not that far. But the
Taste wise, just as good, but why isn't it hot? Bobbies, we've come to Smoor in Kamanali, K-Town as they call it. We're gonna be getting hot chocolate. Hot chocolate is going to be a fitting end to this Christmas evening. Anything that you'd like to add?
I also want hot chocolate.
He also wants hot chocolate, guys. He's lost too much weight. He's been in poverty for too long, so I'm gonna feed him some good hot chocolate. How's the hot chocolate, Kavin?
Extremely rich but tasty.
Extremely rich.
Very rich.
I mean, you came from poverty, right? It is gonna feel rich.